finally releasing from the simply outrageous vault. An exciting math program. That will reveal ancient solutions to modern math.
Welcome to another Simply Outrageous Math lesson, and today we're going to learn how to square any two-digit number. The first number we're going to work with today is the number 13. So we will look at 13 squared. And 13 squared, we will do this particular symbol here. And what that means is we want to look for the next tens unit. So 13 is close to 10, and to get there we would do a minus 3, and 13 minus 3 here we have to also add plus 3 up top, so that would take it to 16. And in order to get the second step here, we would go 16 times 10 and bring that over here. So 16 times 10 is 160. To get the rest of the answer, we're going to square 3 or square negative 3. That's 3 times 3 equals 9. So that would be 169 is our answer. So we want to go through that very briefly. We're squaring 13. 13 squared. To get to the next tens unit, we would, in this case, subtract 3 from 13, give us 10. And if we subtract down here, we have to add up here. So 13 plus 3 equals 16. We multiply these together. 16 times 10 is 160. We square whatever we added and subtract, either or. 3 times 3, or 3 squared, is 9. 160 plus 9 is 169. We will do another one to make sure you have the hang of it. And in this case, we're going to actually square the number 23. Well, in this case, 23 squared. So 23 squared, 23 is close to 20, so we will go here. To get to 20, we actually subtracted 3. And if we subtract 3 here, we have to add 3 up here. So that would make this number up here 26. Right, and we multiply 26 times 20. Think about 26 times 2. That would give us 52. Add our 0 in, that's 520. And to get the second part of the answer, we're going to either square 3 or square negative 3. And that would give us 9. Answer is 520 plus 9 is 529. Let's go through those steps again. We're squaring the number 23. The next closest tens unit is 20. So that would be a minus 3 to get to 20. If we did a minus 3 here, we have to do a plus 3 up here. 23 plus 3 is 26. Multiply 26 times 20. That would give us 520. Have to square either the plus 3 or the minus 3. They both squared would give us 9. And 520 plus 9 equals 529. Okay, we're going to try a larger number. In this case, we're going to try the number 47. 47 squared. The next tens unit in this case is going to be 50. That would be a plus 3. And we have to subtract 3 here. So that would be 44. Multiply 44 times 50. Think of 44 times 5 at first. So 44 times 5 gives us 220. And then we add our 0, we have 2,200. To get the second part, we square the number that we added or subtracted. So 3 squared equals 9. 2,209. Okay, we're going to do one more because I've been using numbers that were difference by 3. So we're going to try a number that is a difference by a little bit less here. So let's try the number 18 squared. 18 squared. Okay, once again, we're going to find the next closest tens, so that is 20, and we add 2 here, so we have to subtract 2 here, and that would take us to 16. 16 times 20, or think of 16 times 2 is 32, and then add our 0, and then we're going to square 2. That would be 4. The answer is 320 plus 4 is 324. Once again, 18 squared. Next closest tens unit, which is 20. So we'll do a plus 2 here. Do a plus 2 there. We have to subtract 2 on the other side. So 16. 16 times 20 equals 320. Then we square the number that we added and subtracted by. So 2 squared is 4. 320 plus 4 is 324 is our answer. Thank you for tuning in to another Simply Outrageous math lesson. Today you learned how to square any 2-digit number.